Today we're going to do some science experiments. I want to make sure I'm good and protected. We're going to start with the strength of eggs. Ever thought about how strong eggs are? And could they hold up books? So, what you need for testing the strength of eggs is, of course, some eggs, some bottle caps, all of the same size, and some weight. We are going to try some encyclopedias today. And do you think we could have all of these encyclopedias stacked on top of 3 eggs? Let's see. So what you need to do is place 3 eggs in a triangle. And these are relatively big books, so we want to space it out a little bit. And we need a cap for the top as well. So we are going to place our eggs all the same way. As you'll see with an egg, you have a larger bottom and a smaller top. I'm going to do large on bottom, small on top. I don't know if I like that lid. It's a little wobbly. It's making me nervous. Let's try this one. All right. And you want a cap for the top. Like so. All right, let's see. How many books can we put on these eggs? And we do have 3 more just in case we break these 3. Okay, let's go good and slow. There's 1 book. Let's try a second. There's 2. So far, so good. Let's try another one. Easy. There's 3. 4. 5. 6. This will be 6. Let's see. Slow, steady. There's 6 encyclopedias on 3 eggs. Let's try another one. Oh, this looks like a big one. 7 books. Do you think we can do 8? Let's give it a try. I don't know. Here we go. 8 encyclopedias on 3 eggs. That's a lot. How many books can you stack on your eggs at home? Give it a try. Hi, let's try some tie-dye coffee filters. It's really easy. These are the supplies you'll need. Spray bottle or squirt gun, that would be fun. Some coffee filters and some markers. I've colored these coffee filters already. I'm gonna do a quick demo. And then we'll get to the fun part, and that's squirting them with water. The markers will bleed through your coffee filter, so you do want to cover the surface that you're coloring on. Now, you really only have to color on one side because we're going to fold it. So I'm gonna finish the one side. Once you have colored the one side, we are going to fold them in half, and then again, once again half, and then again, and we'll fold this one in half. This one should be really colorful since we did all the way around. The fun part is you get to squirt them now. So you just, well, my squirt bottle isn't working. Let's see, there we go. Squirt your coffee filters. Again, you'll want to cover your surface or maybe do them outside. And you'll see how the marker is bleeding through. So here is the one tie-dyed coffee filter. You want to lay them out and let them dry. Best place would be on a sidewalk or out in the sun. Just don't let that wind blow them away. As you can see, it's a little messy. Let's see if I can get this part without ripping. Well, I got this one really wet. Okay, there we go. And once you lay them out and let them dry, you could make flowers out of them, you could make a craft out of them. So that's your tie-dye coffee filters. Let's check out magic milk. I have my milk. I'm going to add food coloring. Those are our colors. So you can see the reaction. A little soap on your Q-tip. And watch as the colors spread. Now let's give Oobleck a try. I bet you've tried it at home in your kitchen. Just need a few simple things. Water, 1 cup, measuring cup of 1, food coloring, and cornstarch. I went ahead and measured out my 1 cup of water and placed a little food coloring in it already. So what we're going to do is mix 2 cups of cornstarch to 1 cup of colored water into our bowl. One, 2. And our colored water, 1 cup. And our stirring stick. We're gonna mix it up. We're gonna make some green. It's getting really, really hard to mix. Making the slime, the oobleck. Make sure you get all that cornstarch mixed in with your water. Let's get our hands in there. Oh, look at that. That's fun. It looks looks very wet in your bowl, and then when you take it out, it looks very wet as well, but feels dry in your hand. That is Oobleck. Looks very wet in the bowl. Take some out, comes out dry clumps, changes back into some wet liquid. You give that a try at home. See how yours turns out. All right, this time we're gonna give a lava lamp a try. You can do this at home. You can use either baby oil or vegetable oil, water, food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer tablets. That's all you will need, plus a clear container. So you want to fill your container with 2 parts baby oil. I'm going to use a cup measurement. Carefully pour that in. That was 1 cup. 2. That's 3. And I did 4 for the size of the container. And your 1 part water, so I'm gonna do 2 cups. 1. You want to leave some room at the top. Drop in a few, let's do green. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Depending on the size of your container, I added a couple more. And then you break up your Alka-Seltzer tablets and add them to your water baby oil mixture. Ready? And watch your lava lamp go. Add a few more. See how it says leave some room at the top? We're getting really, really close. We're gonna overflow a little bit, I think. You'll wanna leave some extra space at the top, because the more Alka-Seltzer tablets you add, the more it's gonna bubble up. That's your lava lamp. Now we're gonna give fluffy slime a try. What you'll need is school glue, Elmer's glue, shaving cream, baking soda, food coloring, and contact solution. So a bowl, some spoons, some measuring cups. So we have our bowl here. We're gonna measure 3 to 4 heaping cups of shaving cream into the bowl. Give it a little shake. Let's get our hands right in there. That's 2. Three. Let's do one more. Shaving cream can is slippery. Okay, 4 heaping cups of shaving cream. We're gonna add some color. Let's do yellow. Kind of looks like orange. Next, add a 1/2 cup of glue to the shaving cream. Let me see if I can get my hands cleaned a little bit for this. Get that glue out. 1/2 cup of glue. Okay, 1/2 cup of glue. Pour that in. Okay, add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon. And mix. Add a tablespoon of saline solution to the mixture. 1 tablespoon. and start whipping. It gives you a tip to in order to remove the slime from the bowl, you might want to squirt a couple drops of saline solution on your hands. So let's start whipping. So you're whipping with your spoon. It's changing its consistency. Once whipped, you can pull it out with your hands. And again, you might want to put a squirt or two of the saline solution on your hands. This is fluffy slime. It's a lot of fun. Why don't you give it a try at home? Make your own fluffy slime. All right, now the best for last. We're gonna give foam fountain or elephant toothpaste a try. What you'll need from home is a plastic container. I'm using glass, but if you use a plastic soda bottle, 3% of hydrogen peroxide, 6% is better. A tablespoon of, we have some dry yeast, some warm water, some liquid soap, some food coloring, a small cup to put your yeast in, a funnel if you use a soda bottle, and definitely some safety glasses, and you want your parents to help you with this one. Before we get started, you do not want to touch the foam. It's better that you don't because of the hydrogen peroxide, so just be clear of the foam, and let's give it a try. So, you want to carefully pour a half a cup of the peroxide into the bottle. And add about 10 drops of your favorite food coloring. So let's try with 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we want to add a tablespoon of liquid dish soap. Make sure we get most of that, as much of that soap out as we can. Okay. And in a separate small cup, I've already poured our yeast, and we want to combine the warm water with the yeast. So it's 3 tablespoons of warm water. One, 2, and 3. And then you want to mix it for 30 seconds. It should be about a consistency of melted ice cream. And you can add a bit more water if needed. And you want to pour your yeast into your water mixture into your bottle and watch it foam. Here we go. Let's give it a try. And there you have elephant toothpaste. Now I believe our yeast was maybe a little thick, and maybe when they suggested a 6% peroxide, it should foam over. But we did get some foam. You have fun trying these science experiments at home.